So when I was reading history and when I was watching that time, in 2011, I was watching Operation Neptune Spear, in which Osama bin Laden was killed. I was shocked. That time I was studying the Mughal Maratha history to write Challenging Destiny.
Yeah.
It takes few years to write a book.
It does.
I was so shocked that when President Obama, American President Obama,
Barack
Obama and his CIA team of his very special intelligence, when they carried out this operation, I thought of Shivarai and what he thought 350 years ago before Operation Neptune Spear happened.
To be precise, 348 years ago.
To be precise.
But almost 350.
Yeah. So what happened, like, for example, now think of Abbottabad, where Osama bin Laden was staying in a house, very protected. It was, I think, 8 to 12 feet high wall built inside. And nobody can peer inside. And it was in the midst of Pakistan cantonment. Defense cantonment. And it was 50, I think, or 60 kilometers away from their capital, Islamabad.
Yeah.
Similarly, think of Shaista Khan. He is sitting in Lal Mahal, protected by 50 guards, commandos, trained in killing people. They're killing machines. Now this Lal Mahal also at that point of time was in the midst of Mughal cantonment. Just like Osama bin Laden's abode was in the midst of Pakistan cantonment.
Just see the similarities, guys. Osama bin Laden का घर जो एबटाबाद में था वो पाकिस्तान की डिफेंस यानी कि आर्मी कंटेनमेंट के बहुत करीब था और उनकी कैपिटल यानी कि इस्लामाबाद से सिर्फ 50 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर. वहीं 1663 में यानी कि 1663 में शाइस्ता खान ठहरा हुआ था शिवाजी महाराज शिवराय के बचपन के घर लाल महल में, जो कि पुणे में था. और वो भी काइंड ऑफ एक पूरा जो डिफेंस सिस्टम होता है मुगल का उसके आसपास था.
So now you think about what did American President Barack Obama thought? Look, Osama bin Laden is also fighting a war of attrition. He's attacking here and their powerhouses. What were the American powerhouses? Their consulates. He was attacking. Yeah. Then he was attacking several other places, and he was terrorizing them, and he was playing a war of attrition. And the peak of war of attrition came when he attacked the Twin Towers. And then there were several other attacks on the American soil, so-called, they say American soil.
And a lot of American embassies and hotels in Pakistan itself, where a lot of foreign dignitaries would go and stay.
Correct. So when he went for the heart of American soil, and here what did Shaista Khan do? He went for the heart of Shivrai's Swarajya soil. See the similarity. Okay. So both were fighting a war of attrition and both were gunning for somebody else's soil. Okay. And both were staying in the army cantonment, in the midst of army cantonment, and they thought that they are very safe.
Invincible.
That's the right word. Yes. Yeah. Invincible. Okay. So this is, similarity doesn't end here. Okay. So let's see, Raj, what other similarities are there?
Absolutely.
So these people planned the attack. See, they wanted to have a base. The Americans wanted to, they can't fly from the US to Rawalpindi, to Abbottabad. So they had to have a base somewhere near Pakistan. Okay. So where did they have the base? From where their helicopters will start? They had the base in American occupied Afghanistan soil.
Correct.
So they had the base there. Shivrai, what he thought? See, that time Barack Obama was 50 something.
He was 50, exactly 50.
50, And how old was our Shivrai that time?
Shivrai was 33 years of age.
Yeah, he was youngster,
Yeah.
For in today's, he could be doing his PhD perhaps in today's
Yeah,
world,
yeah.
you see.
Yeah.
So what he thought that he also had to have a base near Pune.
Correct.
So he shifted his base from Rajgarh to Kondana or Sinhagad, which is just, I think, 25-30 kilometers away from
yeah,
Pune.
Yeah.
So they shifted. He shifted the base. Now, in Osama bin Laden's case, Pakistani army was very vigilant. Of course, they must have been paid a lot of money for that, So they were protecting Osama bin Laden. And here in the Mughal cantonment also was very careful. And they were protecting Shaista Khan. Now you have to break that protection. What was Barack Obama's idea is that if Osama bin Laden is not going to leave his abode and come to US to attack them, he will only send people.
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to go where he is and kill him.
Find him and kill him.
Find him. First of all, search for him, find him and eliminate him.
Yeah. Search, find, confirm and eliminate.
Eliminate.
Yeah.
That's what. In that order.
Yeah.
What did Shivrai think? That Shaista Khan is not going to come and attack my villages and my people. He's going to sit right there in the very invincible comforts of
Lal Mahal.
And he's going to give order. So what was left in Shivrai's hand is to all those four things.
Yeah.
Find him,
confirm him, and then eliminate him.
And eliminate him from his own place.
Yeah.
Okay. So you understood the military strategy behind these two?
Yeah.
And how it works?
348 years back. Thinking on the same parallel lines.
Exactly. Exactly. So at this point of time, Osama bin Laden was 57 years and Shaista Khan was 63 years.
Osama bin Laden must have been 54. He was born in 1957, so that makes him 54 in 2011.
54. Okay,
and
54.
This guy was 63.
63.
Shaista Khan was 63.
Yeah,
born in
was,
1600.
Yes. So American President Barack Obama and his CIA team, they thought of finding a day. It's not like you have to find a muhurtam but they have to make a date. The date was the night between 1st and 2nd May 2011.
Yeah.
Check that date. It was almost crescent moon or no moon. Very thin moon. Not crescent.
Waxing crescent.
Waxing crescent or no moon.
Yeah.
It was a dark night. And what did the dreamer of the Swaraj, and that time not a Chhatrapati, 33-year-old Shivrai thought? The date was between 5th and 6th April 1663.
Yeah.
Go back, Google.
Again.
It was a very
night of the crescent moon. Night of the crescent moon.
हल्का सा चांद था वो. इधर तो हल्का सा चांद, अमेरिकन ऑपरेशन हल्का सा चांद और नो चांद. And 300 and how many years? 50?
348 years to be precise.
48 years ago, they also chose a thin moon.
Yeah.